Right, no? Kasi kadalasan sa mga tao, if they are labeled CKD, parang ay, sinintensyahan na, tapos na magdadialysis, no? Kasi a lot of people are really scared of having that term CKD.
Actually, merong study po na nagsasabi na if the patient is made known na meron siyang CKD, nakakatulong yon kasi nagiging conscious siya sa mga pagkain niya, nagiging health conscious siya, mas compliant siya sa mga gamot niya pag nalaman nilang may CKD sila. And that would also help prevent the progression. So may ganong study na kapag nasabi sa patient na may stage 1, stage 2, or stage 3 po kayo na CKD, they become partners nating mga doctors or us nephrologists, nagiging partner namin yung mga patient to take care of themselves para ma-prevent yung progression to dialysis.
Pero so depende rin yan how the doctor really talks to the patient. Kasi sometimes yung pagsabi mo ng news that you have CKD at hindi mo inexplain na mabuti sa pasyente what is CKD, then mas hindi yung ayaw nilang magiging very conscious sila sa health, kundi mas matatakot,
Yes.
diba?
So, dapat as doctors, we should explain very well what CKD is. That there are 5 stages of CKD. Nasaang stage na ba sila? Ano ang pwede natin gawin para ma-prevent ang dialysis? Kasi, totoo naman, ang mga tao, ang nasa isip nila, CKD equals dialysis. Which is not always the case. And yun yung gusto nating i-prevent.